In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Google Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your ads stop running and your account is set to cancelled safely and confidently. First, go to your Google Ads account. Open your browser and head to the Google Ads homepage, then sign in so you land on your account dashboard. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right one before moving on. This ensures you deactivate the correct account and avoid any surprises. Next, click Admin. Depending on your layout, A8, B8, you'll find the Admin area in your main navigation. Look for the section labeled Admin or the Settings gear icon that takes you to Administrative Controls. This is where Google keeps the higher level settings that affect your entire account, not just individual campaigns. From there, click Account Settings. This page brings together key controls for your account as a whole. It's a good place to pause for a moment and confirm you really want to deactivate. Deactivation is useful if you're done advertising for now, or if you need to stop all campaigns at once. Remember, you're not deleting your Google login, you're cancelling the ad account, so it no longer serves ads. Now click Account Status. This section is specifically about whether the account is active or cancelled. Here, you will see the option, Cancel my account. When you select it, Google Ads will guide you through a short confirmation process. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what will happen next. After cancellation, your campaign stops serving. You'll have read-only access to historical data, and any remaining charges or credits will be settled according to your billing setup. If there's an outstanding balance, it may be charged after cancellation. If you have a credit, it may be refunded according to policy. A helpful tip before you confirm: think about any reports or data you might want later. While you can still view performance after cancellation, it's smart to note key metrics or export what you need ahead of time. Also, if you're cancelling because you no longer need ads right now, know that you can usually reactivate the account later if your plans change, and your past data will still be there. That's it. Go to your Google Ads account, click Admin, open Account Settings, then Account Status, and choose Cancel My Account. Follow the on-screen prompts and your deactivation will be complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently deactivate your Google Ads account.